Best apps for Instagram Reels editing. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download one of the best apps for Instagram Reels. So if you also like to edit videos on your Instagram, then in that case you might be able to find these applications which I will be mentioning in the video fascinating. So let's get started. So the first app that comes in our list is CapCut. So this is one of the easiestly most popular free video editing tool, which is easy to use with advanced AI tools integrated in it with the trending effects and built-in templates. So you can do a lot of stuff, and it's a pretty simple and easy to use video editing application. You can just download it from Google Play Store for free, and you can just get started with the editing videos. And similarly, another video editor which we have on the list is InShot. It is also free and paid for both beginners and intermediate video editor, offering a smooth transition with speed colors and speed controls and text animations. So you can easily blur your text in the middle of the screen without any hassle, and it offers more features than some other free available video editing applications, and it also has less ads as compared to CapCut, so you can also try it out for free. And likewise, the last on our list is VN Video Editor and Maker. So it's a free video editor application with no watermark, unlike CapCut. So it's a professional grade editing, multi-layer timeline and keyframe animations providing video editing tool. So you can also check it out with a free and easy to use simulation inside the video editing application itself. So that is it for today guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.